We're still on the streets for a very particular reason. We are still on the streets for a very particular reason. They are killing us like rats. They are killing us like thieves. Ukiona mtu yote hapa, nobody has a weapon in hand. Hakuna mtu mwenye ni mwizi hapa. All these young men are peaceful. Nimekuwa hapa and this man is my witness. No. This man is my witness. This man is my witness. I have been hit by a canister on my foot.
Imagine.
They were driving and they shot directly at my feet. Right now, you'll see them dispersing our crowd as if we are the looters. But in the morning when people were looting, nobody did a damn thing. Tunakaa hapa tunasema, hatutaki mtupatie handouts. Tunataka mtupatie hizo kazi mulisema zitakuwa. We want you to give us the employment that you said is there constitutionally. We've said we are sick and tired of you guys budgeting for corruption. We've said we are sick and tired of you kidnapping people and killing them. And you're seeing, pale, anytime wanatuona Mukuru, bado Kware, bado kuna watu, na, like, they treat us like thieves. We have said money that was meant for children needs to be disbursed. Free education, free meals, and when people are, I don't know why the political class, wakikutana, when it's their time to get out of bunge, when people are occupying, they treat us, they get ambulances, they get choppers, but when it's time for flood victims, they have no regalia whatsoever. They have no means of transport for these people. So what we are saying as Kenyan youth is we are tired. We are peaceful, we are tribeless, tunasema, hatuna kabila, hatuna party, enough is enough. When we say that we are tired of this administration, it's because they are obsessed with killing us. That is, yani, you cannot exist as a young man freely. Hapa vile unatuona hivi tumezingirwa. This is another sijui government vehicle. Watakaa tu hivi, look at a crowd, shoot at young people. Si unaona? That's what we are saying. We are absolutely against and we will not tolerate. At all as young people, it breaks our hearts, breaks my heart. Kabisa. Kabisa.
Africa is free. People are waking up. Africans are waking up and want this narrative to get everywhere. Let people know the truth. We have been in slavery for so long, for 60 years, in fact 400 years. Now it's time for us to educate our people, teach our people that the way we are ruled is not the right way. We are still being ruled by colonialists. Colonialism never really ended. That is the truth which history has hidden from us for all this long. But now we must fight neo-colonialism or capitalism the same way our fathers fought colonialism. Capitalism is the same as colonialism. The evils of capitalism are the same as the evils of colonialism. Capitalism must fall for humanity to become free. These brothers, the capitalists must fall. They are killing our young men. They are killing our young people for them to stay in power, for them to continue killing in power. It is very sad. People are being abducted. People are being killed. Young men, it's very sad. Parents are educating their children only to have to bury them in the head. It is so sad. It should not be this way. We must resist and resist completely. And we must make this happen very soon. We must avoid too much risk, too many risks, because people are being killed. So we must know what to do so as to remove this evil system from power. We cannot accept this. We will not accept this. People, Africans must wake up. Africans unite. Poor people of Africa unite. There's no other way to freedom other than unity. Unity is the foundation of freedom. When we unite, nobody will be able to stop us. When we have an agenda, nobody will be able to stop in our way. Revolution must come. Revolution is coming and nobody will be able to stop it. Not even the army, not even the court of law, not even the police. Nobody will be able to stop an idea whose time has come. And so we must tell our people the truth. Tribalism is the curse of this nation. Tribalism is the curse of Africa. Unless we destroy tribalism and rise above tribal hatred and tribal divisions, we shall not be free. So tribalism must die for Africa to become free. Tribalism is a disease of the mind. Tribalism is a state of the mind. Tribalism is a ploy which politicians use to perpetuate themselves in power. The ruling political elites have historically used tribalism to divide and conquer. But now we must become wise and resist all this cruel manipulation of the poor by politicians.
This is a message to William Ruto. It was peaceful. until you funded goons. But it's no longer peaceful. We are ready for war. We are ready for war. You cannot fund goons to come and distract us. We are ready for war. We are not getting tired soon. We are ready for war. Ruto, we are ready for war. 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 We are ready for war.
Anajaribu kuiba.
We are ready for war.
Anajaribu kuiba.
We are ready for war.
Wale bometa naongea na kiburi.
Akuja Nairobi. Akuja Nairobi. Kuma mama Ruto. Kuma mama Ruto.
Eh?
Madonna,